Hi, my name is Patty.
I'm Ken.
We're from Ridgewood, New Jersey. When we first interviewed contractors, Fein Construction really stood out. I had sent emails requesting certain documentation, things like proof of insurance, photographs of previous work, warranties and guarantees. I kind of wanted a package, a real presentation to help me decide on what contractor would be best. I interviewed 5 contractors in total for our kitchen renovation, and we also renovated the entire exterior of our property, which is an old Victorian from 1860. So we knew we had to be very particular and hire someone who was very, familiar with this type of home. And so I wanted them to kind of do their homework and be ready for the challenge. And I have to say, out of the 5 contractors, only 2 came with all of the documentation. But Fein Construction really stood out because not only did Mike, bring the documents I requested, but went well above and put me even in contact with owners of previous homes. So I was able to call 2 or 3 owners, talk to them directly, who remembered both Mike and his wife, who they spoke of very lovely, and talked about their dedication, their constant communication, their organization, their fair prices. And so I think after really one night of deliberation, Ken and I knew right away that Fein Construction was going to be who we went with for the project. Later, once he began the work, Mike kept in constant contact with us. I mean, the work was just out of sight, really more than we had ever anticipated. We had ordered materials from abroad. They handled those kinds of shipments, which are never easy, especially when in one of the cases it was like on a ship in the middle of the Atlantic. But it came, and there was enough material, which was always a fear of having to do double shipments, especially when they're international. One of the days we didn't even have heat. Mike showed up like at midnight, got the heat up and running for me and my family. I just knew that I had really made the right decision, and I never questioned it. It was just one step after another. The construction was done on time. I mean, it's everything you could possibly ask for. I think we got it from Fein Construction.
And the work was beautiful. Mike really knows his craft. He's always honest and responsive, which something like a home construction can be very overwhelming. And the last thing you want is somebody who doesn't respond to your call, who does a shoddy job, and it's very emotional because it's your home. So we absolutely loved working with Mike and his team, and would definitely recommend him to anyone who's looking to remodel or do a custom home or any type of construction work.